बोलो किस रास्ते तुम सोना बाहर निकालने वाले हो। बताओ किस रास्ते से। सोना ठीक है, बाहर ले जाओ।
अबे ये क्या हुआ यार?
आई थिंक बिजली की वजह से शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया है।
क्या खराब टाइमिंग है डूड, क्या मस्त टेंशन बिल्डअप हो गया था।
Yeah, I know. Even I was so excited to see what happened.
What happened? नहीं मतलब कुछ ऑफ है।
What do you mean?
नहीं मतलब just your vibe. There's something off about your vibe.
No, everything's fine. What are you talking about?
नहीं तुम वो शो बराबर से नहीं देख रही थी। And like we were so excited to watch this show.
Yeah, no, I was so focused. What are you saying?
I mean, usually you're like generally very excited, like almost as excited as me, or even more. But today you were constantly on your phone and.
No, are you mad?
Were you bored?
You know how much I love this show, yeah?
हाँ तो फिर?
Maybe you're reading a little too much into this.
अरे, Meera, what's wrong?
Nothing is wrong, Baba. I don't know what you're talking about.
अरे पर तुम चिप्स खा रही थी
तो मैं चिप्स खा रही थी तो उससे क्या लेना देना है?
You know how many times you've yelled at me for eating a chip while we're watching something?
Okay, I'm sorry for eating a stupid chip in the middle of the show, okay? Just मुझे माफ कर दो.
See, you're behaving weirdly. कुछ तो हुआ है. Tell me now, what's up?
I've already seen this episode.
What?
I watched it a few days ago.
With who?
With Shrishti and Akash.
Akash, who? Your ex?
हाँ वो मैं कुछ दिन पहले सृष्टि के घर गई थी ना and he was also there. I was not expecting him to be there but they're also friends and then while we were waiting he was like एक episode देखते हैं.
Wait. You didn't tell me this for all of these days?
No, I was going to tell you. I mean, it just slipped my mind. I've been so busy with work and it's been stressful.
हाँ नहीं मतलब अगर मैं नोटिस नहीं करता कि कुछ ऑफ है तो तुम मुझे कुछ बताती ही नहीं.
I told you I was going to tell you. It just slipped my mind and मुझे पता नहीं था that it would. I mean, you would take it so seriously.
Okay, fine.
Don't you think तुम थोड़ा overreact कर रहे हो?
मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ.
I knew you would react like this. This is why I didn't tell you.
Oh, so you chose not to tell me because I thought it slipped your mind. But thank you for being so considerate.
Oh my God, why are you making such a big deal out of this?
Really?
Yeah, really.
You know, you can't turn this on me. You're the one who's not telling me stuff and now you're getting mad at me about it. That's not how it works. I don't know why you always do this.
Okay. So I've already said that I'm sorry. Why are you still behaving like this? And मुझे नहीं पता था कि हमने एक contract sign किया है. That's why I have to tell you every single thing about my life.
Listen, I know तुम एक lawyer हो, but you don't have to behave like one with me.
Yeah, really? Because you're the one holding me accountable for every little thing that I'm saying.
Yes, because you lied to me and I'm disappointed.
I didn't lie to you.
You hid it from me. Same difference. What a great morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, माई सेल्फ सूरज फ्रॉम डे एंड नाइट रिपेयर्स। सुबह हो या शाम, आपके घर आकर हम कर देंगे आपका काम। टीवी, फ्रिज या हो एसी, सब कर देंगे टिप टॉप एंड फाइन। ओनली फॉर ₹599।
सर, आपको पता चल गया कि अचानक से क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी?
मैडम, आपका ये जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना, बहुत ही इजीली अवॉइडेबल था। अगर आपने पहले ही बता दिया होता तो मसला यहाँ तक पहुँचता ही नहीं।
क्या?
हाँ, ये देखो, आपकी टीवी का जो सर्किट ब्रेकर है ना, अभी और लोड नहीं ले सकता और अपना कनेक्टर लूज था, इसलिए टीवी शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया।
ये ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
सर, अब मैं आ गया हूं ना, अब सब ठीक हो जाएगा। लेकिन सर, आपको भी थोड़ा समझना चाहिए ना, थोड़ा स्पेस दिया करो। अभी तो छोटा प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता था।
क्या?
हाँ, और नहीं तो क्या। अरे टीवी को थोड़ा सांस लेने का जगह दो ना। इतना कुछ भर के रखा है एक मासूम से स्पाइक गार्ड में, ये तो होना ही था।
अच्छा, आप चाय पियेंगे?
हाँ सर, चाय मिल जाए ना तो पूरा दिन अच्छा चला जाएगा। मैडम, वो थोड़ा अदरक डलवा देना।
मीरा!
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot about
Can't
it.
just leave the gas on. Yeah, please, one second.
I know, I'm so sorry.
You know how irresponsible this is? पूरे घर में आग लग सकती थी.
I know, I'm really sorry.
Like, what were you even trying to do?
I was trying to make chai.
पर तुम्हें चाय बनानी नहीं आती ना?
You know, I need chai in the morning to wake me up.
So you should have just told me. I would have made it like I do every morning.
Arey, but we were in a fight. I know when not to disturb you. That's why I didn't ask. And
Again, you should have just told me. अगर तुम मुझे पहले बता देती, हमारा झगड़ा भी नहीं होता।
oh my God, can you just let it go? What do you want me to do? How many more times am I going to say sorry?
Fine. I'll let it go. Like I always do.
Aryan, ये तुम्हारा holier than thou attitude ना, तुम अपने पास ही रखो. And maybe you should listen to Suraj ji and just learn to give me some bloody space.
You want some bloody space? You can have all the space you want, and I'll go work out of a cafe. All right? Enjoy your chai.
सर, चाय नहीं मिलेगा ना तो भी चलेगा। मैडम जी, मैंने कहा था ना, हो जाएगा। हो गया। ओनली फॉर ₹599।
And then he just walked out of the house. So girls, I need your help. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
देख डार्लिंग, it all depends on what outcome you want. मुझे आर्गुमेंट जीतना है या सेटल करना है?
पर अगर उसे आर्ग्यूमेंट जीतना होता तो कब का जीत चुकी होती ना? Yeah, I mean, I'm not in court, right?
जब ईगो आ जाता है ना तो ऑब्वियस चीज भी ब्लरी हो जाती है।
And this is obvious.
You went and met your ex-boyfriend और एक वीक तक बताया भी नहीं।
Yeah, but that was not my intention, no? I mean, I came back that day and then we immediately went to dinner and after that it just completely slipped my mind. And it's not even like हमारे बीच कुछ हुआ. We barely even spoke to each other.
हाँ तो that's all okay. But just put yourself in his shoes ना. What if he went and met Ankita?
I hate that bitch. Okay, fine. I know what the problem is. But can you guys please help me with the solution?
That's damn easy. He's a guy. You know what to do.
Shut up, Zoe. I have such a one-track mind.
I have an idea, and I think it's really special. See, everyone likes a grand gesture, even men.
She's right. And you guys have that cute ritual also, na? You guys watch so many movies together. Just pick one and get inspired.
Oh, yeah, like, Imran Khan running through the airport in Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na.
Or or why don't you dance in the rain with him like Shah Rukh in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
Or like Ryan Gosling building that home for her in the Notebook.
हाँ, ओ नहीं, मैं तो यही सोच रही थी कि मैं ताजमहल ही बना देती हूँ.
अरे यार हम लोग बस आइडियाज दे रहे हैं.
No, I know. And you guys are really helping. In fact, I think I know what to do.
Really?
What? I'll send you photos.
Send him some photos, na?
Oh gosh, shut up.
I'm just saying it works.
Okay, girls, thank you so much. You've been so helpful. I love you.
Love you.
Meera, listen, I was thinking, I wanted to say, I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. मैंने गुस्से में कुछ चीजें बोल दी जो मुझे बोलनी ही नहीं चाहिए थी. And listen, I know कि गलती भी मेरी ही थी. I should not have hid that from you. And look, I promise I did not know कि आकाश was going to be there, that I was going to meet him. मैं सृष्टि के घर गई and he was just there. But I promise कुछ हुआ भी नहीं. I didn't even speak to him. We didn't even hug. Aryan, I love you. And I should have just told you. And I promise कि मैं तुमसे कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं छुपाऊंगी. Say something.
तुम्हें लगा मैं आकाश की वजह से अपसेट हूँ?
हाँ, और नहीं तो क्या?
Why would I be upset about Akash? You dated him like 7 years ago.
तो फिर तुम किस बारे में अपसेट थे? Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. No, you're such an idiot. तुम seriously इसलिए upset थे क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हारे बिना एक मनी हाइस्ट का एपिसोड देख लिया?
Of course यार. मैंने पता है क्या-क्या नहीं किया ये spoilers avoid करने के लिए. मतलब I didn't speak to anybody at work for a whole week. मैंने अपने social media accounts delete कर दिए. और plus ये Netflix के 199 प्लान की वजह से everybody's been watching it. यार इतना स्ट्रेस ना प्रोफेसर को भी नहीं हुआ था जितना मुझे हुआ है.
Okay. I'm sorry about that too. But I think I can make it up to you tonight.
I still can't believe तुमने ये सब किया है. वैसे मैं भी एक I'm sorry gift लाया था. इसके सामने कुछ नहीं है but I had no idea you were going to do this. Yeah. I'm sorry too.
Apology accepted.
Bella ciao.
See, senor?
मीरा नहीं यार प्लीज मुझे ये सब समझ में नहीं आता. हिंदी करो ना प्लीज.
ओके जी हुजूर, आपकी फरमाइश सर आंखों पर.
अच्छे से समझ आएगी.
प्रोफेसर में स्वैग है.